Welcome, everybody, to our August 7th, 2022 video for some information about Hanwell Park Academy. We do plan on having more videos about twice a week, and each video will be shorter and with a specific purpose. Today's video is going to talk about the open houses, our website, and how to volunteer. We, in early July, sent postcards, two sets of postcards, one of them for our kindergarten students and one of them for the community in general. And the kindergarten students are invited to August 31st, 11 a.m. to noon, for a kindergarten orientation. And the student and a parent, or both parents, could come along, and the students will be able to go into their classroom and meet their teacher. On September 1st, this is not a meet the teacher event. This is more to introduce the building to the community. So from 11 to 5, you'll be able to come in. We'll have there'll be no assembly or anything. It'll be just basically like an open house event. So postcards were sent for both of these events, and you don't need to bring the postcard with you. Just come to the event. Now, I do want to talk about our school website. In our website, we had to have a handle that was very simple and easy to use. So we went with hanwell.nbed.ca. Now, here's basically the URL for the website. And our website basically has a lot of the information, and it'll be updated constantly. Here are two bits of information that are found on our website. The first one is the class supplies, or the school supplies for the students. And in an earlier video, I explained that this year we're going to collect $70 from all our students. Our school cash online is not set up yet, but it should be set up in the next 2 or 3 weeks, definitely before the start of the school year. But we are collecting $70 from each of our students, and we're going to buy all of the material. So there really is no paper or pens or anything like that that you need to buy. However, on our website, there will be some information that says basically for kindergarten, you probably need this as a little extra, and for our middle school students as well. The other thing that you'll find in our website, besides a lot of other information, is the bus information for your student. And right now, the tracking system is not accurate, and it's not updated. So it's still trying to, even though it tells you your child's going to Hanwell Park Academy, it still isn't accurate at this point in time. However, I would say definitely in the next 2 to 3 weeks, it should be more accurate. So those are two little bits of information I did want to share with you. Another one was how to join. So one of the things the kids have asked, the community has asked, will there be sports at Hanwell Park Academy? Absolutely. We just purchased team jerseys for our teams. Basically, we will have soccer and cross country. That's to start in September. We definitely will have other sports as the year goes on, but we do need volunteers. We do need some coaches to help volunteer. So if you're interested, please connect with Mr. John Gardner, Mick, basically, and his email is there. We've also shared the information via other sources of social media. So if you're willing to participate or you want to volunteer, we have a process in place which helps you get your criminal background check, and of course, one of the policy requirements for all volunteers in the school system. So our next video will be posted on August 10th. Like I said, we're going to have two videos a week, and hopefully I'll have some pictures of inside the school. If you have any questions, please connect with me at pierre.plord@nbn.nb.ca. Thank you very much, everybody, and thank you all for your support. And I do look forward to seeing each and every single one of you.